Want to remove Voicemeeter from your system for good? Here's how to completely uninstall the Voicemeeter app and all its drivers. Use autoruns to disable startup entries. Autoruns is a free utility by Microsoft that shows every startup item on your system, including hidden drivers. How to use? Download autoruns from the official Microsoft sysinternals website. Extract and launch the autorun 64.exe run as administrator. Go to Drivers tab. Search for entries related to Voicemeeter or VB audio. Uncheck these entries to disable them from starting with Windows. Next, switch to the Everything tab and search for any additional Voicemeeter entries. Uncheck or remove any related entries you find. This step prevents Voicemeeter's drivers or services from reloading when you restart your PC. Use Driver Store Explorer to remove the drivers. Standard uninstallation won't remove drivers stored in Windows Driver Store, but Driver Store Explorer can help. How to use? Download Driver Store Explorer, rapr.exe from GitHub. Run the tool as an administrator. Let it scan all installed driver packages. Look for anything related to Voicemeeter and VB audio. Select those entries and click Delete Package. Clean up Device Manager. Even after removing the driver packages, ghost devices may remain in Device Manager. How to clean? Press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Expand the following sections: sound, video, and game controllers, audio inputs and outputs. Look for any devices named Voicemeeter, VB audio, or any suspicious unnamed unknown devices. Right-click, uninstall device. If available, check the box that says delete the driver software for this device before confirming. And that's it. Voicemeeter and all its drivers are now fully removed from your system. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.